message you have for the youth?
The message to the youth is, first thing, it's a question, first of all, you want to live long, you want to achieve your vision in life, you want to achieve your heart desire in life. At what age do you want to achieve it? How old do you want to live on earth? If you want to live long, you want to achieve your vision, then it's better you get yourself away from alcohol, from shisha, from cigarette, and from hard drugs.